Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be a remake of my old tutorial on how to make a rose out of a dollar bill. It's going to look something like this. These roses would make a great graduation gift. So hopefully this video is of better quality and is more straight to the point than my old one. And with that, let's get started. Alright, so let's start with the materials you're going to need. What you're going to want is a couple of crisp dollar bills, a semi-thick wire, and a skewer or toothpick. Alright, so first we're going to make the center of the rose. What you want to do first is fold the dollar bill in half, just like so. And then you're going to take your skewer and you're going to curl the corners of the bill. So you're going to want to try to make it pretty curly. And you're going to want to do this for all four corners. So this is what you want your bill to look like. And once you have it like this, you're going to want to fold the bill onto itself in the center. So as you see here, I'm folding the bill kind of like an accordion. This is so the bill will fold up towards itself. You're going to keep wanting to fold and pinch the bill until you get it up on itself just like so. And this is kind of how you want the center to look like. To make the petals for the rose, we're going to do pretty much the same thing of what we did for the center. We're going to fold the bill in half and then curl the corners of the bill. Okay, so this is where things changes a little bit. For the petal, you're going to want to flip the bill around and then do your accordion folding. The reason you want to flip it around and fold this way is because you want the curls to be on the outside of the fold. So same thing as the center, you're just gonna keep on pinching and folding until you get the petal looking how you like it. It should look a little bit like this. So to compare, this is what the petal looks like next to the center. So now we're just going to repeat the petal making process 3 to 4 more times. The amount depends on how full you want your final rose to be. Again, for the accordion folding part, don't be afraid to mess around with it until you get the petals looking how you want it to be. Now that we have all of our pieces made, it's time to assemble the rose. To do this, you're going to take your wire and bend it in half just like so. And with your wire bent in half, you're going to take the center of your rose and put them in just like so. Okay, now that we have the center and the wire together, we're going to add a petal. We're just going to place the petal inside and then twist the wire 1 or 2 times to secure the petal in place. And just like that, we have our first petal on the rose. Now as you add your second petal, you're going to want to make sure the wire is open parallel to your first petal. This is to ensure that your second petal will not be laying right on top of your first one. So now that you have your second petal on top, you're just going to adjust it until you like the way it looks, and then twist the wire again. Here's a little close-up of how it should be looking. And once again, repeat until you have all the petals on your rose. Once you finish twisting all of the petals onto the wire, this is what your end product should look like. For the rest of the wire, you're just going to want to twist it around a couple times to finish it off. And if you have some floral tape, you can take the tape and tape around the wire a couple of times to make it look more like a real flower. So I hope that video was useful and you learned how to make a rose out of a dollar bill. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Hi everyone, so today's tutorial how to make a rose out of a money